Hi, today I'm going to show you in your Freeagent software how to allocate your transactions from your bank feed. You will have money into your bank account and you will have money out of your bank account. So for the money into your bank account, we're either going to categorise that directly into the account or we're going to allocate to a sales invoice that's already raised in your software. And for the money coming out of your bank, again, we're either going to categorise that directly or we're going to allocate to a purchase invoice that's already in the software. So into your Freeagent dashboard, we select the bank account that we're going to work on. It's just our business current account today. Now you can see there's transactions and explain transactions, but perhaps they're not the transactions you want, aren't in the current month. You can use this drop down here to either go month by month, or if you scroll down right at the bottom, you can select all time periods and see all unexplained transactions. We're going to go back to the ones that we initially saw. So let's first look at money that's come into your bank account. Stats, I know, is an invoice that we've received payment for in this demo account. So I simply click on the transaction line and that will bring me up the explanation panel. You can see that Freeagent has already identified the invoice and the correct invoice. We can use the drop down if we need to change to something else, and here would show other invoices that potentially could be a match. It's important to ensure that you are allocating the correct invoice. Let's explain transaction, and then that's popped into the account. Here's interest, so we're going to categorise this directly. So we're going to change here, other money in, and here we're going to select interest received, and again explain transaction. Marking, we have a receipt, which we'll always have the receipts in front of us even if we're categorising directly, but we're just going to categorise that directly from the bank feed. So again, select the transaction to come up with our explanation panel. So we're going to categorise this, and we're going to categorise this as travel. Here we go. So if you're VAT registered, you need to follow what is on your receipt or your invoice in front of you and explain transaction. Just to mention here, upload a file. If you wanted to upload a copy of the receipt or the invoice into the records, then that's how you could do that. You don't have to do that. This transaction we're going to allocate to a purchase invoice that's already been entered in the software. So we're looking at a bill payment, and again, Freeagent has correctly identified, but we can click if there were other purchase invoices, would come up there too. Explain transaction. So that is all the transactions entered now from your bank feed into your accounts. At this stage, I would suggest that you stick with the categories that are already set up in your software. But in a different video, I will show you how to add new categories should you require. And as always, if you need any help or enter any difficulties, then please do get in touch with me. I'll be happy to help. Thank you.